Strain your eyes to open immediately. Take your own time to open your eyes. If you are not able to open your eyes, take your own time to open your eyes. Your eyelids are becoming lighter and lighter. It's becoming much more lighter and lighter. People who are lying down, turn to your left or right. Lie down for a minute. Only then slowly you should get up. Otherwise, you can lie down. You need not get up. People who are sitting posture, slowly you can open your eyes. Take your own time to open your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Okay, now I hope all of you are relaxed. Now, at the end of this lecture, I'm going to teach three exercises. It is the part of this positive behavior therapy. One is tension releasing exercise. Another one is smile therapy. Last one is laugh therapy. Who should not practice these exercises are the persons with heart disease should not do these exercises because if they give tension to the heart, it will have an adverse effect on them. So people with heart problems, they should not do these exercises. And what is the benefit of doing this tension releasing exercises? Or it will release the tension accumulated in the body, and it will help a person to get rid of their fear, anxiety, anger, and worry. So these are the benefits of doing this tension releasing exercise. Next one is smile therapy. When we do this smile therapy, it will really add a beauty to our face. And we say that face is the index of our mind. To have a pleasing personality, we should always have a smiling face. Mainly, I would like to tell the thing also. I have seen in many autos in Chennai, I don't know, in Coimbatore, but I used to see that many have written in the autos. Those days, I'm talking about 90s. Serum Pombai number, Sirikam Penne Nambade. So, if you laugh, also people will. But once if you are there inside the campus, you can have your smiling face. When you are seeing the opposite gender, then you can control this smile. And also it helps to prevent negative emotions, and it facilitates a better interpersonal relationship, and it enhances the mental health of people. So these are the benefits of doing this smile therapy. Next one is laugh therapy, otherwise it is known as internal jogging. It helps to lowers the blood pressure, reduces the stress hormones, increases the muscle flexion, triggers the release of endorphins, and boost immune function by raising the level of T and B cells. And these exercises to a patient, they have given. One of my students giving this exercise for 2 months for initial first stage of cancer, and he had intestinal cancer. And earlier they used to go to the hospital. There they will be giving them the thing each one day they will go to different blocks and teach them the positive behavior therapy. And when a person was doing this for 2 months continuously, and the person was able to overcome from that cancer, initial cancer, not in the, see there are three stages. If a person comes to the last stage, nothing can be done. If it is in the initial stage, any therapy will really help them to overcome the thing. Even they say that 75% of the people who are affected by cancer, it is due to stress. Only 25% are the other causative factors. So we should not have any kind of stress or anxiety. We should always have a laughing or smiling face. We should laugh loudly wherever there is a. So these are the positive therapy, and for positive therapy, foreword was given by the former president, Dr. Abdul Kalam ji, and it was a very good. I have given this as a group to many, more than 10,000 students. I would have given this, and it really helped. What is the main benefit of doing this particular exercises, positive therapy or any kind of relaxation for that matter? It will bring the sympathetic nervous system to the normal condition, and the parasympathetic nervous system will be initiated, so that a person will be calm and quiet. Mainly, we have given this relaxation to the students who are facing the board examination, and they were able to perform well. And even the next year, the HM was calling our student to give the same therapy. Once only we can do a research, and my student has carried out research in Vadavalli in Coimbatore. And even if you practice, even as a student, if you practice, you will be able to overcome any performance anxiety anywhere. Even if you want to face any interview, if you do this relaxation for a month, I will challenge you that you will be able to overcome majority of your problems. So doctors, WHO earlier they were telling 75% to whoever has go to a doctor, it is mainly due to stress and anxiety. Now they are telling it as 80%. Okay, WHO has given 80. Earlier it was only 75%. So if you have got more ailments, it is because of the stress. So all of you, please try to practice this exercise, because this is the need of an hour. I thought that I should teach you. I know there are many psychologists who have practiced here in Coimbatore, and also I would like to tell that a former professor and head of the department of Bharatiyar University, and he used to charge a minimum 20,000 per case to teach relaxation, and he will teach further techniques. So I've just because within 1 hour I cannot teach you more techniques. So I used to practice. Even I have given Jacobson progressive muscle relaxation to the alcoholics. When they've given up alcohol for first 1 week, they will have a withdrawal symptoms. More than 1,000 cases I have taught them this relaxation training, JPMR, Jacobson progressive muscle relaxation, and they were able to overcome from that withdrawal symptoms, and many were very happy, and they have treated me so well. And I used to tell them, see, it is a government aid, we are just getting it. I'm coming from Chennai all the way from to Vellore. From Chennai, I'm just traveling for your sake, so I'm teaching this relaxation for your. I told them, see, I can write that I have taught you the relaxation. Nobody is going to check. But I wanted to teach you this relaxation technique to improve and see the quality of life. Because only when you see the alcoholics family, how I cannot just tell that it is. There is no time to talk about all that. Even people with we call in Tamil, no, Modakurian, so chronic alcoholics, even for them it really worked out. So this is the very good therapy which I taught you. No psychologist will teach this techniques like that, because I thought that being a psychology students, when you go out, you should know. I know certain techniques, and you can practice. And I will share this PPT also, even the book with ma'am, and you can take it from ma'am, and you can utilize this. So the positive behavior therapy is over. The 3 exercises at the end I will teach you, and I'm going to just talk about other relaxation techniques apart from positive behavior therapy. As a psychology students or the student community, you need to know what are the other techniques to reduce the stress and anxiety. Yoga, there are 5 yoga poses. They say that it really reduces the stress and anxiety. One is Sugasana. It is otherwise known as, it is a easy pose, and it will lengthen and spine and open the hips. Okay, so this is the very good technique. And next one is Balasana. It is a child pose. And third one is Pakshimukcharsana. It is a seated forward bend. And Ananda Balasana means happy baby pose. And Uttasana means it is a standing forward bend. So these are the 5 yoga technique, even you can see, but without the yoga teacher you should not practice this. And if there is any yoga teacher, if you are interested in yoga, you can do that. And there are many kinds of meditation is available: mindfulness meditation, spiritual meditation, focused meditation, movement meditation, mantra meditation, and transcendental meditation. And I have learned this transcendental meditation. It is a very good technique, and it was developed by Maharishi Mahesh Yogi. And it is you have to sit in a place, chant Om for 20 minutes. So a person, I will at the end I will tell you about this meditation, transcendental meditation. It is very effective. It's our own origin. Next one is Chinese are following this, and also many students, even in India, it has become a very famous one. Tai Chi. It really boosts the upper and lower body flexibility, because it's only a slow movement. When you start doing this slow motion, and you will be able to have the flexibility, and as well as your body will be strengthened. And for mainly for old people, they start doing this, they will not have a balance, so it reduces the falls. Okay, that is the main benefit of doing this tai chi. And also it helps to train the senses to function, the sensory neurons in the ear, and stretch receptors in the muscles and ligaments. Whoever has got problem in the ligaments, they can start doing this tai chi. This is another technique. It is a very good technique also. And biofeedback in psychology, we have studied about biofeedback. The sensors are attached to the body, and the person will see how the body functions, and they will be able to reduce the stress. For an example, if a person has got tension headache, and mainly when they stress their forehead only, the person will develop the tension headache. They will feel that there is a band around their head. So somebody is pressing like that, they will feel that pain. If the pain is continued for more than 6 years, then it will become a worsen condition of the thing, migraine headache. So we have to treat people with the tension headache in the earlier stage itself. Even mudras, if you want, you can see and utilize. Okay, so that is the very good, because the sensors will give the feedback. If the light is red, it means that our muscles are very tensed. Unless we don't relax that particular part of the thing, and the only then the green light will glow. So till then we have to practice the relaxation for that particular area wherever we are having a thing. Then next one is music and art therapy. Some people know when they start singing, okay, or when they just listen to the music, they'll become more relaxed. Some people know when they just do drama or dance, okay, and some people know they feel like drawing, okay. So even art will help them to reduce the stress and anxiety. This is the new therapy has come in foreign countries. They are using aromatherapy. It is otherwise known as essential oil therapy. It is a holistic healing treatment. It really helps a person to extract. It is taken from the plant, and it promotes health and well-being of a individual. And the next one is aromatic essential oils, and it improved the health of the body, mind, and spirit. Mainly, this aromatherapy, oil therapy is done in Kerala, and they say that jasmine, people who are depressed, if they start inhaling the jasmine flower for a long period, the depression also goes off, it seems. By research, it was not published, but I've heard from one researcher, and it enhances both physical and emotional health also. So these are all the benefits of aromatherapy. Uh, Other therapies also is available. Some people, they when they say that when they go to temple or mosque or church, they say that they are able to relax. Some people, when they do exercises, okay, they are able to relax. They say that daily 30 minutes of walking also will reduce all these things. And now massage also, it's a kind of a therapy to overcome this. And in our department, using the positive behavior therapy, we have treated so many problems like stress, fear, anxiety, anger, inferiority, depression, insomnia, pain, essential hypertension, academic problems, adjustment problems, menstrual problems, premarital, marital, or extramarital problems, suicidal ideation. So these are the benefits of we have just handled with that. And as a student, I would like to give you some tips also to enhance your self-esteem. If your self-esteem is very high, you will not have any stress and anxiety at all. So first thing is you should be nice to yourself. Whatever you feel like doing it, do it, and get moving, and don't stuck on to a particular thing. And you should think that nobody is perfect. So some people know when they want to be perfect in everything, and it leads to a lot of complications. And please remember that everyone makes mistakes. So if you have done any mistake, try to correct it. Don't brood over that particular thing. And what you should focus on whatever changes you want to make. You can make that, and always try to do certain things which really makes you very happy. And even small things you should celebrate, and be friendly with everyone. And you surround yourself with the support of people. Okay? So it means that you should be more of extroverts. And people know when they have a lot of mental stress because of too much workload, and they have to be on time. And some people become very tense because if the spouse is very angry always, if the boss is very angry, and you should know it is a displacement of their emotions. Try to handle them in a better manner. I told you that there are many stress related disorders, mainly gastritis. Now, the present generation, why I'm particularly wanted to mention is they are having gastritis, ulcer, migraine, colitis, okay, high BP, even cancer at the age of small age they are getting. So these are all the stress related, and the people when they have a chronic stress for longer period, they have lot of psychosomatic problems also. So I told you that in the WHO, 80% of the disease they say that it is related to stress. So apart from that, I would like to mention other healing therapies like Reiki and pranic healing. It is also available. If somebody would have told me about this some 6 months before about Reiki or anything, I would have laughed. But they say that this Reiki, this it is known as alternative healing therapies. It is back floor therapies one. And because why I've given this two, unless I myself experience certain positivity, I will not propagate any kind of a therapy to anybody. So I have learned pranic healing, and now last month only I have learned even the Reiki. They say that it is really helpful. But the pranic healing, with my own experiences, authentically, I can say that it really helps people. I have first because I come from an atheist family. I don't believe in all that. Sukti Podra people, when they say no, that when they do that, I will not believe all that. But when I was young and all, even I will not go to temple. If at all, if I go to temple, it will be a meeting place for me to meet my own cousins. Okay, and because in the village they will not allow girls to go to others' house. So all my cousin sisters, if I want to meet, then I will meet them in the temple. I will take the permission from my father. So that kind of a background, if I'm telling about all this, I myself experienced. Okay, so that is the reason I'm just talking to you about this therapy. If you are interested, also you can learn that there are seven chakras are there in our thing. Bottom one is known as Muladharam, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anadaha, Vishuddha, Akshana, and Sahasranama. So this is the seven chakras is surrounded by that. If we have any part of that, then we will have a problem in our health problem. So when we have to be very healthy, when we should not have stress and anxiety, we should even energize. If you don't believe in other techniques any, because just I wanted to give you many therapies are available. You can use any one of the techniques to reduce your stress or anxiety. You should maintain your tranquility. Okay, so these are the things that if a person is dealing with cosmic energy, and then if the person is having ego attachment, it will be blocked. And in the thing, it is illusion in the next one, and next is truth, love, willpower, pleasure, and survival. So these are the chakras. Everything is how it is related. I've just wanted to show you. And if a person in the Mooladharan, if they have what is blocked by that fear, they will have lot of problems. So that is the reason I thought that I should tell you each chakra how it is blocked and what they will have. So we should not have any fear, guilt, shame, grief, and any attachment. Then we will have all these things. So when we have some people know, when you just look at them, it is not based on the beauty, but you like them so much. It is because the aura is very big, then they will be able to do all these things. I told you that in the beginning itself, if you want to improve your aura, you can just sensitize your hand in the middle, and you can just press like that for 2-3 minutes, and you can check the aura. And after chanting Om again, you can sensitize your hand, and you can check your aura. Surely it would have been increased. So I will challenge you that if you keep chanting Om, people will like you more. So this is the thing how the layers of the mind and uh, their chakras are related. And I told you that I will tell you about meditation. And in this meditation, first step is we should sit in a calm, quiet place, and there should be some mat or cloth, something should be there. We should not have a direct contact with the earth. So that is the first step, and you should sit in a quiet place, and you should have first just you should not have any kind of thinking. You should concentrate on your deep breathing, and you will be automatically connected with the universe, and you can feel that. Second one is you should concentrate on your deep breathing, only that breathing you should, and you should keep chanting om. And if you are think that om is a Hinduism word, means you can say im. So if you just say some syllable, it is not going to connect with om. Even you can say im. So that is also a kind of a vibration. You will feel that when you say im. Okay, so from the stomach, that vibration will come. Even that you can practice if you don't want to say "Om." Okay. And third step is contemplation with visualization about the thing, and you can see that some light is entering your head, and you can feel that if you are connected with the universe, you will move forward and backward, and you can really feel that relaxation. So it is, what are the benefits of doing this particular meditation is, it relaxes twice as deeply as sleep, and it increases the energy, reduces the high blood pressure. You would have heard about essential hypertension. It is purely due to stress factor, and it will reduce that, and it prevents and cures the disease caused by the stress, and it reduces the biological age by 10 years. For an example, if you look like 55 years, if you start practicing that, you will look younger. Okay, so uh, people, if you want to become very young, always means you should either do yoga or meditation. You would have known that earlier CM Dr. Kalanger, he was doing this yoga for so many years. That is the reason, with lot of ailments, he was able to live for long. And the present PM also is doing this yoga, anything, either yoga or meditation or relaxation, anything, but some kind of activity should be there to relax your body and mind. And what are the mental benefits of meditation is, it reduces depression, irritability, hostility, stress and anxiety. It increases the alertness, sociability, joy in life, clarity of thought, efficiency in action. So these are the benefits of doing the meditation. And people know, you can, in our Hinduism, there is a mantras to do that. Even in Christianity, in your Bible, there are a lot of words are there. You can chant that, and you will be able to overcome any kind of thing. And I've heard that in foreign country, France, they, in one particular school, the students were taught to do Surya Namaskar in the morning as soon as they come to the school, and they have to chant the Gayatri Mantra, and they found out that their cognitive abilities are improved. Now I would like to teach you another technique also. I have carried out a research on that. It is a DSTCS or a project, efficacy of Topukaranam and enhancement of cognitive abilities among normal and learning disabled children. And the Topukaranam was very effective. So you can even do that Topukaranam. It's only an exercise. You have to cross your hands, hold your rope, and you have to sit. While sitting, you have to inhale. While standing, you should exhale. And if you just Google and see super brain yoga, means they would have given Topukaranam as super brain yoga. They've taken the patent. It is our own indigenous one, but the foreigners have taken the patent for that particular thing. For learning disabled children, whoever has got any problem, if they start doing that, they will be able to overcome. So, what is the quality of mantra? Is it should have a two syllables. Okay, it must be a pulsative, means it should have two syllables, and the second is incantative, means It must resonate with the own personal rhythm, and intuitive rhythm should be there. That is the second quality. Third quality is it should be ideative, and it should elevate the meaning, because every pulsation the mediator thinks I'm infinite, I'm he means, then they can attain whatever they want. So these all the main things of mantra, and even in your if you are following Christianity or Muslims, in your own there are a lot of mantras will be there. You can use that. Okay, so for this is the thing which I've got it from the. So these all the main thing I thought that I should tell you about the thing. If you have any, because before going to that, first I will teach three techniques, then we can go for so I hope you would have learnt at least certain techniques to overcome, and how to overcome the stress and anxiety. So now I will teach you. Can you see me now? Okay, so I'm going to teach you three techniques, tension releasing exercises. And I would like to tell also, and if I give any relaxation training, if the students, I will be able to tell the students' personality because I cannot see you. If it is in person, I would have told you what is your personality. If a person is able to relax in the beginning stage, they are highly suggestible people. If a person able to sleep when it comes to chest, all that, they are average. And if a person is not able to relax at all, and they were highly tense, means they are a highly stressful person. Even some people with some learning difficulty also, they cannot relax. And whoever is not able to relax at all, and we have got some problem, because when I was teaching this relaxation, one girl has developed panic attack, but in the beginning itself I was suspecting that girl, she must be sexually abused. But that girl, I was having the suspiciousness, unless if they come to me for counseling, I will not be able to, I cannot go and give counseling to anybody. So I thought in the beginning that that girl will come and talk to me, but she didn't come. In the second semester, when I was handling the class, is one day when all the only 75% of the students were there, and the topic which I handle is research methodology. The paper which I handle is research methodology. It's a boring subject. So I thought, okay, I will teach you relaxation. I will make it, because I will bring them into alpha level. Then I thought that whenever you are before listening to my class, you just do deep breathing. All that I was teaching. One day I was teaching relaxation, and this girl has developed panic attack. That day it was confirmed for me that she was sexually abused. Okay, and whoever is not able to relax, either they have a chronic stress, or sexually abused, physically abused, or verbally abused. Those children cannot relax. So with that, I will able to make out that they have got some problem. So whoever is not able to relax, I will give you my personal number. You can contact me, or the relaxation which I've taught. You should learn that and try to overcome from that. I know two, three cases, because I want to carry out a research. It is a very sensitive topic. I didn't do that. One ICSR project I have done. Mm, it is about good and bad touch. I taught the school children. Only there I came to know that the children, okay, it was in the government school, we have collected the data. The children who are at the young age, it was by the Chittappa, we call it as uncle, and the known people, they were, given sexually abused. Those children are having lot of problems, psychosomatic problem. One girl, she had a nightmare, and I was talking to her for 3 years to overcome. Only 50% she was able to overcome. So I would like to, as because you are all going to be married, you are going to be in the society. Please never trust if it is a girl or a. I thought only the children, girl children, are sexually abused. One boy I've seen, the mother has brought to me for counseling. Even for the outsiders, free of cost, I'm giving counseling. And it was a small boy who was just in seventh standard. He was sexually abused by the senior most boy, ninth standard. It has started when he was in the fifth standard. 2 years that boy was sexually abusing this boy. Because if it is a boy, we will just allow them to play. But I don't know from where that boy has learnt, and he has misused 5 children in their area. The mother was crying. I said, "Money is not important. Please take your son with you." She was there in the Gulf country, and I know her. So I told her, ask your husband to resign the job. He's a school teacher. He will get a job there in Gulf country, or you resign the job. You come home. So you don't think it is happening only for girls, even for boys. Rarely it happens for boys, but majority of the girls are affected. Those children cannot relax. So with the relaxation, I will be able to find out if they have got any problem, any kind of abuse. By this relaxation, I will be able to find out. Okay, because they cannot relax, and I will be able to come to know. I will call them separately and I will give. And I told you that the three authentic case I've seen when they were young in the childhood abuse, till today they are not having the issues. Okay, they have gone to so many doctors because it is there in their unconscious, and they cannot lead a normal life. So it doesn't mean that whoever is not having a children, they are sexually abused. There are many reasons. This is one of the reason. Authentically, I can say, because unless if I carry out a research for large population, I cannot authentically say. So only three counseling, because with that authentically three people. But when you look at them, the way they behave, they are very courageous. All that, it is not so. To overcome their thing, they are showing this one girl even having a buffet, all that. You might think that she's very outspoken, all that, but she was abused. Okay, so personally, because I am there meeting people, so with this relaxation I can even tell so many things. But I wanted to tell you, whoever is not able to relax, some kind of abuse would have been there for you. Only for those people who wouldn't have relaxed. So I will try to help you. So now that three exercises I will tell you: smile therapy, laugh therapy. Time is going to be over. I will just tell you only 1 minute. I'll finish. You have to stretch out your hand like this, and bring it towards your chest by breathing in. You have to say ha, and you have to throw out your hand, saying that tension goes out. Okay, worry goes out. Whatever negativity, if you want to uh, go out from you, you can just tell it 5 times to yourself, 5 times loudly, and you can practice. Smile therapies, when you look at any food, you will like it. So like that, you have to breathe in for 4 counts, close your mouth, breathe out through your nose. Okay, that is another one. It is smile therapy. 10 times it has to be followed. Last one is laugh therapy. You have to stand up, bend down, and people who are elderly, they cannot. You have to just bend down, breathe in, and you have to clap your hand. You have to say laugh. Like 1 minute continuously you have to laugh. I will make the student to laugh like this. It's a laughter therapy. It's a very good laugh therapy is a very good therapy. So there is no time. So with that, if you have any question, please ask. With that, I will stop here. I would like to thank the management for inviting me for this thing, and I hope you have benefited a lot out of this. Thank you. Anything you would like to tell, ma'am?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
So good, and we are extremely thankful to you, ma'am. It's a very
Thank you.
useful
Thank,
session.
thank you,
We
ma'am.
never expected that it will be such an interactive as well as a completely a practical session, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank
It was so impressive.
thank
Usually, all the techniques will be given for the students, and you gave ample time for them to practice all these.
you.
And actually, you became a part of it, and by all means, you made us follow all these what were given to us. So we are really very happy about it, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Okay, students, do you have any other thing? It's a wonderful opportunity for you. You have a chance to interact with ma'am.
Evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a doubt. But
Yes.
before clarifying my doubts, I would like to thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Really, ma'am, we are so lucky to have you today as a resource person, ma'am, because
Thank
this is
you.
our last day of our internal exams, ma'am. We
Oh,
are in the stressful situation, but you gave all the therapies to relax our mind and body, ma'am. Thank
thank
you
you.
so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
And I have a doubt, ma'am. You
Yes.
have said that smiling will reduce our blood pressure and will help us to improve our immune system like that, ma'am.
Yeah.
But does a fake smiling helps us to improve our immune system, ma'am? Fake smiling.
Automatically, even fake smile, if it will relax your muscles. Okay, even the fake one, and it will become a habit for you, and it will enhance your beauty. Okay, it doesn't, because if you have a smiling face, everyone will like you, that thinking that you have more positivity. So you have a lot of positivity towards that. So have a smiling, even fake smile is good also. Continue.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, anybody would like to ask anything? My number is 94427377734. You can call me at any time after 7 o'clock for free counseling. I will give. Okay, any tips if you want also I will give. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. It's already 4:30. You are because timing, if it is crosses, it will cut. So I will thank you, ma'am. Anything else? Any girls? Any questions? If you practice this for a month, I will challenge you. Whatever the ailments which you have got, you will be able to overcome. It's a very good therapy. For group only this we can teach. Individually JPMR, Jatups and Progressive, both. But majority of the student told me that this is the best compared to JPMR. Anything else would you like to ask?
Students, any
Any
other
questions,
questions or
girls?
interaction? Okay. Ma'am, you are having a graceful heart, ma'am. Even you are willing to clarify the doubts or any counseling needed,
Ma'am,
free of cost, you are willing to do, and also you are willing to share
ma'am,
the phone number. The head of the department of an university is willing to share her phone number. It is really wonderful, ma'am. We
Thank
never
you.
expected this.
Thank
Any
ma'am,
other
you.
questions, students?
Yes,
From
sweetie.
how to overcome emotional stress, ma'am?
Yeah, this relaxation, if you start doing it, and if you have emotional stress, if certain things are there in your mind which you are not able to share, you can go to your, you can share with your mother. Okay, and you can do one is a empty chair technique. You can sit in a chair and you can just have an empty chair in front of you. Think that the person is there, imagine, and whatever, if you want to scold or do whatever thing you want, you can do that. And another technique is a pillow technique. You take a pillow, just punch the pillow nicely, think of the other person. For example, if you cannot scold your friend, you can do that, and all that emotions comes out, you will be happy. Never keep anything in your mind. Please share it with your mother, not with the friends. If the friend has become an enemy, you will have lot of problems in life, because I have seen lot of things are happening. So share with your mother. If you cannot share, at least share with your God. Or empty chair technique, you can do it in a place, calm, quiet place in your room. You can do that. Any one of the technique you can adopt, or you can do meditation. And one technique, if you are highly stressful, if you are not able to come overcome immediately, means when you are taking bath, take handful of crystallized salt in a mug, just pour around yourself, then take a bath, then your negativity will go off. Even salt therapy, we call it pranic healing. We are using that salt. That is also a very good technique to overcome any kind of. One student was telling that she has got mentally retarded children who are very aggressive. I told her to use this salt. She was telling third day that she was in the final year. When she asked before leaving, I told her this technique. She said their aggression was reduced much. Even now, it is very difficult. So the salt therapy is the best therapy. Even that you can use. Anything you can use, which I have told you. No, any one of the emotional stress, anything you can use it. It will work. Whichever you like, you can do it. Thank you.
Ma'am, please, ma'am, could you please repeat that salt therapy once more, ma'am?
You take mug before taking bath. You take one mug full of water. Put one handful of salt, crystallized salt. Tamil we call it kallupuno, not the thing. Only that you have to take that crystallized salt, and you have to just pour around your body. If it is head bath, also you can pour, and take ordinary water. Then you bath as it is. If you have got all negativity, will go off. It is a very good therapy. They say salt therapy. It's very effective. They say if you want to clean the aura in your house also, the water which you are going to use for the mopping, there you can put a little bit salt and little bit turmeric. They say that your aura in the house also will be increased by doing this. Not only for bath, even for house cleaning you can use. So the salt, they say that it removes all the negativity, because a lot of case studies are there to share. Now there is no time. Before 5 I have to reach, because lockdown. No.
Sorry, ma'am.
And the university, yeah.
Out of our excitement, we never looked into the time at all, ma'am. Sorry,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah, it's okay.
It was very useful, ma'am. And yet another day, we'll be meeting again for yet another webinar, ma'am. This is a
Okay.
club meet within the institution, but in the webinar, it will be an open forum. We will be calling all from different states and different institutions, and we can have a webinar, and you will be the resource person for us, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Abhishek,
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the clear explanation.
Thank you, ma'am.
be quick.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am, for sharing the benefits of relaxation techniques and helping us to relax through your relaxation training. And the auto suggestion you gave made our day brighter, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanksgiving is the time of togetherness and gratitude. Gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues, but the parent of all others. So, I would like to call Ms. Shiva from the Department of English to deliver the vote of thanks.
A very warm and good evening to all. First and foremost, I would like to thank our well-wishers, our educational counselor, Reverend Sister Dr. Vasanthi Madonna, ICN, our secretary, Reverend Sister H. Our principal, Dr. N. Hari Saroja, for the stewardship, support, and commitment. And I thank our special guest, Dr. S. Gayatridevi, Associate Professor at the Department of Psychology, Avinashilingam Institute of Science and Higher Education,
For women, Coimbatore, who despite her busy schedule has found time to grace this occasion. Thank you, ma'am. And the relaxation training was very useful and helpful to us. And I thank our dean, ma'am, Dr. DC Punita, and our controller of physical examination, Dr. Jessica Shanti, and our vice principal, Dr. DJ Sudha, and to all the heads of various departments, teaching and non-teaching faculties. I thank all the distinguished invitees present here for accepting our invitation. And my heartfelt thanks to our organizing secretaries, Dr. R. Inga Mary Garrettini, Dr. G. Maria Prema, Ms. J. Manisha, Ms. A. Lily Maria Pravina, Assistant Professors of Education. Thank you, ma'am. And last but not least, I thank you, my friend, for your cooperation in making this function as a grand success. Once again, I'm thanking you all present here. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the
Thank
Thank
you
you.
opportunity.
so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Ms.
Okay,
Shiva.
Abhisha, wind up the
And
session,
yes,
please.
yes, yes, let us inhale the positive thoughts and exhale the negative thoughts. Despite the technical issue, I believe this club meet was truly a travel to tranquility. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am. Thank you. Shall I leave, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, of course, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. So kind of you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, have you posted the feedback link? Nisha, ma'am? Nisha, ma'am? Have you posted the feedback link? Students, it will be posted in your group or else, and you can leave the group meeting now. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
குரூப்லயே போட்டுறீங்களாமா? சரி, ஓகேப்பா, தேங்க்யூ. பட் மிஸ் பண்ணிடாதீங்க, போஸ்ட் பண்ணிருங்க மறக்காம. தேங்க்யூம்மா, தேங்க்யூ.